Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you are on active call and all of the incoming calls on your iPhone is saying busy, instead of being on call waiting, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and then click on apps. Click on search for the phone app. Select it. Now scroll down the phone app, locate and click on call waiting, and then toggle on call waiting. You can say I have a spinning call waiting. This is because I use developer option. So go ahead and toggle this on, and when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you are on a regular call or an active call, this will put your call on call waiting instead of busy, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.